Every text layer in Premiere Pro has some circle, weird circle in the corner or in the middle. It's called the anchor point. You can see it on other graphics as well. So what does it mean and how it works and why it's there? I'm going to quickly explain to you. You go into the effect controls, click on the text to unpack it, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see anchor point, right? So you can, by the way, manually move it or move it by holding down the touchpad and just move it in the, let's say, in the center. Why does it matter? Well, I'm going to tell you. If you want to animate anything, you need your anchor point to be in the right place in order for you to do what they want you to do. So anchor point is right here. I'm going to go to rotation and I'm going to rotate it. So I'm going to animate that. Oh, the text is rotating. It can be a JPEG, PNG, whatever. Anything that has anchor point. It's rotating in the middle of it. Let me undo. I'm going to do anchor point, which is, I'm going to go back to original one, which is in the corner. What's it going to do now? Oh, it's going to rotate around the anchor point. That's why it's called the anchor point. Right. See what I mean? Here's another kicker. If you want to animate scale, for example, if I'm going to do the scale, do you see how it scales? It's like from the corner, from that anchor point, it scales up and down. So if you animate this, that looks cool. But what if you want to scale it from the middle? So you move the anchor point into the middle and then scale. All right. Every attribute you have around, so the anchor point is going to set from where the attribute is going to do what it's supposed to do. If you want to speed up your workflow in Premiere Pro, I've put together the simplest, easiest to follow Premiere Pro guide. You can find it in the description of this video.